Here's a simple and delicious banana bread recipe you can try. Ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, mashed, 1/3 cup melted butter, half a cup sugar, adjust to taste, 1 egg beaten, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking soda, pinch of salt, 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, optional add-ins, half a cup chopped walnuts or pecans, 1/2 cup chocolate chips, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Instruction: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grate the 9 by 5-inch loaf pan or line it with parchment paper. 2. Mash the bananas in a large mixing bowl until smooth. Stir in the melted butter. 3. Add sugar, egg, and vanilla extract to the banana mixture. Mix well. 4. Sprinkle the baking soda and salt over the mixture. 1 stir to combine. 5. Gradually add the flour and mix until just combined. Do not overmix. If using nut, chocolate chip, or cinnamon, fold them in gently at this stage. 6. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. 7. Bake for 60 to 65 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 8. Cool the banana bread in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely before slicing. Enjoy your homemade banana breads.